Namaskar, myself Pratik. In this session, we are going to discuss an assignment on precision and recall. We will first discuss the problem statement and then we will discuss its solution. Let us start this session. In this assignment, you have to find out the precision and recall for each class. Here we have three classes. These are A, B and C. On one axis we have predicted class of the classifier, while on another axis we have actual class. So these are the instances for predicted and actual classes for each of the class, that is A, B and C. And in this assignment you have to find out the precision and recall for each class. That is, you have to find out the precision and recall for class A. In the same way you have to find out precision and recall for class B and for class C. So I request all of you to pause this video at this point and try to find out the precision and recall for each class. After solving it, you can play this video and you can compare your answer with the solution discussed next in this video session. Let us find out the precision and recall for class A. You can see that this classifier has predicted class A 29 times. 25 times actually it is A, 2 times it is B and 2 times it is C. Totally this classifier predicted class A 29 times. And out of that 25 times it is correct. As we know that precision identifies the frequency with which a model is correct when predicting the positive class. In this case the classifier is predicting positive class 29 times. And out of these 25 times it is correct. So precision will be 25 divided by 29 for class A. We know that recall identifies out of all the possible positive labels how many did model correctly identify. It means it refers to actual positive instances we are able to find out. So actual positive instances in total are true positive plus false negative. So the formula for recall will be true positive divided by true positive plus false negative. Now let us apply this formula in this case. So here we have actual class A in 30 instances, and out of these 30 instances the system is able to predict it accurately 25 times. So the recall will be 25 divided by 30, which is true positive divided by all actual positive instances. So this will be 25 divided by 30. So for class A, the precision will be 25 divided by 29 and recall will be 25 divided by 30. In the same way, we can calculate precision and recall for class B and class C. Now let us calculate this for class B. So its precision will be the total time the classifier is predicting class B is 34 plus 3 plus 3, which is 40, and out of these 40, 34 times it is correct. So precision will be 34 divided by 40, and recall will be out of all actual B, the system is able to identify 34 correctly. So all actual B are 34 plus 2 plus 5, so it will be 41. So recall will be 34 divided by 41 for class B. Now let us do this for class C. So system predict C 27 times, and out of these 20 times it is correct. So precision is 20 divided by 27, while out of all actual C, which is 25, the system is able to identify 20 times correctly. So recall will be 20 divided by 25. So this is the solution of this assignment. I hope that with this example you will able to identify precision and recall for any of the classifier. This is all about this session. I request all of you to subscribe this YouTube channel to receive latest video tutorials on topics like data mining, machine learning, DBMS, big data, NoSQL and many more. To learn DBMS in a simplified way, you can join this online course on DBMS which is available at Udemy platform. Same way, to learn SQL and PLSQL, you can join these online courses on SQL and PLSQL over Udemy platform. I have also authored books on data mining and data warehousing, Simplified Approach to DBMS, NoSQL in a Day, Beginning with SQL and PLSQL for beginners. All these books are available on Amazon platform. To read more about this, you can refer my website prateekbhatia.com. Thanks for watching this video.